Hello guys, it's Confidenti. Spectranet recently updated their Zoom CPE. Now they call it the Blaze CPE. So I got one and I want to quickly show you what you find in the box. Please note that this has already been unboxed and installed. They inserted the battery. So I'll be quickly showing you what you get when you buy this Blaze CPE from Spectranet. As you can see, this is the main unit, the Spectranet Blaze CPE. It's very small, not as small as the Evo Mi-Fi. And here you have the Ethernet cable. I think this should be about 2 meters long. And the charger is a 12 volts 1 amp charger. 12 volts 1 amp. You see, that's a 12 volt 1 amp charger. And you also get to see the two antennas for the Blaze Mi-Fi. And inside the box you also get the Spectranet device manual. And here you can see things, just the basic information. I don't think it's very useful. Though I could just use this for the meantime, but it's not useful on the long run. And here's my SIM pack. That's pretty much it. Now I want to quickly show you what the Blaze CPE looks like with the antenna connected. So I will fix the antenna now. It's fairly easy to fix, doesn't take much effort. Just have to on the antenna clockwise. As you can see, I'm not fixing this the correct way though. I'm not holding it from the part where I'm supposed to hold it. You're supposed to hold it from the inside, but I just want to quickly show you what it looks like with the antenna connected. This is it. If you fix it correctly, to be more firm. Now plug in the charger into the charger port. See, that's very simple. Plug this into an AC outlet. With the charger connected, let me quickly show you inside of the battery compartment. This is where you insert your SIM on the battery. Got the cover. Then you take out the battery. This is a 2000 mAh battery. So you just plug it into its ports and insert your SIM and put the battery into the compartment like this. And put the cover back and you're done. That's simple. Here I have it powered on and connected. You can see the signal bars. It's beautiful, isn't it? Looks cool. I love it. And this is the Spectranet Blaze CPE in standing position. I think that will be the end for this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. I hope to keep seeing you on this channel for more videos. Thank you and keep coming back.